Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so right now I'm going to do a quick video on how to remove the plastic off of ventilated caps. See those red lines? Yes, you're going to pull them out. Okay, they're going to be red, white, or whatever color, but those threads you're going to pull out. Alright, and the key to making this like really quick, because I mastered it now, is to sew on a straight stitch. Do not sew on a zigzag stitch. You will be there for hours trying to get the plastic from each under the stitch. Remember, a zigzag is like wrapping around the thing. So if you're wrapping around the plastic, you're going to be there for hours trying to pull plastic out. Some plastics might be stuck when you back stitch and everything. All right, so I just suggest do a single stitch. That way you could just pull and go. Now, one thing I didn't do here is once you finish sewing the wig and you still have the plastic on, I kind of pull the ribbons, I guess the ribbon part, so the threads will pop. So like I stretch it out. Some of the plastic tears, which is always good, it's not a problem, but I do that also so I could break the thread, because sometimes, especially when I had the long nails, it was hard to grab the thread. So yeah, that's another option that you can do too. I'm gonna see if I can maybe do an IG video if I remember to do it, but let me know if you want to see something like that. So right now I am pulling them out from like each kind of row and just pulling them out, and they're coming, the plastic is coming out very easily. Now there might be some lingering plastics that you'll get a tweezer that you want to pull. If it's too small and slippery, you might not be able to grasp it. All right, so right now, yeah, I'm cutting off threads, but this is pretty much it. You just want to pull those threads. That is the key. Sew on a straight stitch, okay, and then you're gonna pull the plastic off, and it's gonna come off like butter. All right, well, maybe not like butter, but you get what I'm saying. All right, so that's how you remove the plastic off a ventilated cap. So you're going to see the final results soon. Takes about, 15 minutes? But here we go. I'm pulling just the residue and the remaining plastic, and here is the final result. No plastic. Looks amazing. You can reach your scalp. Thanks for watching.